Hi friends, it's Miss Ashley again, back with another Veterans Day lesson. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the American flag. And we're going to do a small little art activity where we color the flag. So before we get started, can anybody remind me what unit we have been doing so far? A Veterans Day unit, yes. And can somebody remind me what Veterans Day means and what it's all about? Yes, Veterans Day is to thank all the soldiers who are fighting in the war or the soldiers who have fought in the past. So it's to thank them for protecting us. So now we're going to get into learning a little bit about the American flag or the flag of our country because the flag is very important to Veterans Day. So let me show you a picture of the flag. So this is the American flag. So you can see the three colors it has. So it has the blue, it has the white stars, some of the white stripes, and red stripes. So you probably are all familiar with what the American flag looks like. We say the Pledge of Allegiance every morning, so we have to look at it every single day. So we look at it, but we need to learn more about it if we're going to say the pledge every single day and see it. So we're going to learn a little bit about its characteristics. So as you can see, there are a lot of stars and a lot of stripes. Can anyone take a guess of how many stars are on the flag? It's going to be too hard to count this quickly, so take a good guess. So there are 50 stars on the American flag right here. 50 stars. Does anybody know what that means? Because that's a lot of stars. So the 50 stars represent the 50 states of the United States of America. So all of the states are represented through these stars. So our country has 50 states, and one of the states is Illinois, and that is where we live. Now that we learned about the stars, what about the stripes? How many stripes do you think there are? There are 13 stripes. 13 seems kind of like a weird number, doesn't it? Why do you think that there are 13 stripes? Do you think that there's a reason? There actually is a reason why there's 13 stripes. So the 13 stripes represent the 13 original British colonies. So before there was any states in the United States, and before it was called the United States, America had 13 colonies. And that was when Americans traveled over all the way to America from Great Britain, and they wanted to get away from the British and Great Britain, and they wanted to start their own country. So the first 13 original colonies are why there is 13 stripes on the flag. So before we start our coloring the flag activity, we're actually going to learn the meaning of each color on the flag. So each color of the flag, so all these three colors, actually mean something or symbolize something. So these colors represent words. So we're going to learn these different words. So let's start with the color red. So the red symbolizes the words hardiness and valor. So these words, you might not have heard them before because not many people use them, but hardiness means the ability to endure difficult conditions. So that means when you just keep pushing through even though times are tough. So that means, and valor means whenever you have courage when you're in danger. So that's what the red represents. So the red represents whenever you're able to endure difficult times and able to have courage in difficult times. So now we're going to talk about the white. So the white are represented in the stars and in the stripes. So the white represents purity and innocence of our country. So this can mean like the women and children of our country. Now the blue. So the blue has some tough words too. You might not have heard them before, but the blue means to have vigilance, perseverance, and justice. So those three big words. So vigilance means to keep watch whenever you're in danger. So soldiers keep watch when they're in danger all the time. They have to make sure they're on their A game always, so nothing bad happens. And perseverance is whenever you do something even though it's really hard. So you just keep pushing at it. That's what perseverance means. And the last word is justice. So justice is whenever people get what they deserve, but this means it in a good way. So when people get what they deserve and are treated fairly. So that's what all of the symbols of the flag are through the colors. So now that we learned all about the flag, we are going to use these colors and color in our own flags. Now we are going to fill out this worksheet. It's a color the flag worksheet. And it says USA. Can anybody tell me what USA stands for? Right, USA stands for United States of America, which is the country that we live in. And this is the flag of the country. So, the worksheet says, use the key below to color the flag by number. And it says, in the key, it says 1 equals color area blue, and 2, you color the area red. So you can see there's a little 1 up here. It might be difficult to see on screen, but there's a little 1. So you're going to color all that background area blue. But remember, don't color the stars blue because the stars are white, just like in this picture. So you're going to follow this picture to color the flag. And it says color the area red if it's a 2. So all of these lines right here have 2. And don't forget, we do not color the lines in between the 2 because we leave those white because it's red and white striped. So after you color your flag correctly, then you are going to color any shape that you see in the flag above. So any of these shapes that you see up here, you're going to color these in too. So if you see a shape like this anywhere in the flag, you're going to color it. If you see a shape like this, then you're going to color it. But if you don't see a shape like that, then don't color it. So that is our activity, and we will go over everything the next time I see you. See you later!